In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF non-editable in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and from here, you want to go inside Document Properties. Now, from here, you want to go to Security, and this is basically where you have to switch over from No Security to Password Security. Now, to make the PDF non-editable, simply you have to go down here and click on Restrict Editing and Printing, and then here, basically, you can just put in a password only you know, so I'm just going to put a simple one. There we go. And then to, of course, not allow editing, and of course to make it non-editable, simply click on OK over here, and then OK again, and OK again. After that, you have to save your document over here. It's going to get a lock over here. And if I close it and open it back up, you'll be able to see that, of course, if I don't unlock it, I can't edit it. If I go to the View Comment tab here, I can't edit anything. I can't add on anything or do whatever here on the PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.